Start by testing a hidden spot and proceed only if the fabric holds up. Antique upholstery demands a cautious, methodical approach because fibers and dyes can be decades old and fragile. Begin by gently vacuuming with a soft brush attachment to remove surface dust without abrading the weave. Next, perform a spot test in an inconspicuous area using a cotton swab dampened with distilled water and a drop of a pH neutral, mild upholstery soap. Blot, do not rub, and wait 24 hours to check for color loss or fabric distortion. If the fabric reacts poorly to water, switch to dry cleaning only methods, such as a specialized solvent applied sparingly with a white cotton cloth while ensuring adequate ventilation. Always use minimal moisture. Excess wetting can cause shrinkage, tannin bleed from old wood frames, and mildew. For items with stitching, piping, or glued trims, avoid saturating seams and work outward from the test spot so any change is contained and visible. Common problems are color bleeding, fabric shrinkage and weakening, and attractant residue that invites pests. For color bleeding, test first and, if present, stop and consult a conservator because attempting to fix dyes at home often worsens the damage. For shrinkage and weakening, use only minimal moisture and slow drying at room temperature, propping cushions to maintain shape and avoid heat sources that set distortions. For residue and pest attractants, vacuum regularly and treat spills immediately with blotting and a light application of distilled water and mild soap. For infestation, seek a professional who can safely treat textiles without compromising antique integrity. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with antique upholstery or delicate restoration projects, and we also help contractors find work from people specifically seeking these skills. We host a discussion community where members share techniques, ask questions about fabrics and cleaners, and give first-hand feedback on local specialists so we can all make better, safer choices for caring for vintage pieces.